It's time we take the legacy of Mercedes Benz trucks into the future. With this statement, a good evening, dear guests and friends, a warm welcome from my side. Thank you for being here tonight. I'm proud and honored to have you as our guest here in Dubai. I'm also proud and honored to celebrate with all of you a great milestone of Mercedes-Benz trucks in the Middle East and Africa. You and your region are of high importance for us. This is why Mercedes-Benz trucks is deeply rooted in the region. We opened our office in the Jebel Ali Free Zone 20 years ago, and we are very proud to have contributed to the spectacular rise of Dubai. 20 years ago, the Marina and Palm Jumeirah existed only on paper. Our trucks are building the vision of Dubai and will continue to do so in the future. To me, Dubai symbolizes the ambition of countries in the Middle East and Africa. This is why we gather here tonight to show you the vision, ambition of Mercedes-Benz trucks. Tonight, we are hosting guests from 45 countries. A strong network is the basis of our business. That's what I found over and over when visiting your countries. We are proud that our relation with you, our valued general distributors, go back for more than 60 years. It is at such events that we celebrate our partnership and shape the future of Mercedes-Benz trucks together. Most important of all, I welcome our esteemed customers and business partners from the Middle East and Africa. Many of you have traveled long distances to be here tonight. Thank you very much for that. Our strong business relation and partnership is a fundament of our success here in the MENA region. We like doing business here with you as we have a lot in common. This region strives for excellence, high-tech, and new business. A few years ago, we launched our new Actros in Europe. It was the beginning of a great success story. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the market leader. Our customers prove it every day. Our truck meets their needs. We work hard on the global rollout of our platform to make our trucks available for you. With the launch of our new Actros and Arocs, we will continue our story of success here in this region. And we will make our strong partnership even stronger. Let me summarize. I, Stefan Buchner, have a very strong commitment to this region. Thank you for the strong partnership over the last years. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your event. This is your truck. And now I will not keep you waiting any longer and give the stage to all new tractors and Arocs. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Dear distinguished guests and friends, thank you very much for being here tonight. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Till Weber and I'm responsible for marketing, sales and services at Mercedes Benz Trucks. I could not be more excited and I am delighted to be here in Dubai tonight with you to witness a great milestone for Mercedes Benz Trucks in the Middle East and in the African region. The successful world tour of the new Actros and the new Arocs brings us to Dubai this evening. It has been more than 125 years ago since two pioneers, Gottlieb Daimler and Karl Benz, created the first truck in history in the south of Germany. Being the inventor of the automobile and one of the most successful automotive companies in the world today, we never stop moving forward. Innovation has always been at the heart of Mercedes-Benz Trucks, and we will continue to shape the future. Today, as the world's largest truck manufacturer, we Mercedes-Benz Trucks are proudly providing our products and services all around the globe with probably the best reputation among all the manufacturers in the truck industry. So what is the Mercedes-Benz brand promise? Trucks you can trust. And this Mercedes-Benz brand claim comes from our sincere understanding and our strong commitment to you, to our customers. We as a truck manufacturer consider that to win your trust is far more than just providing good quality products and services. It is even more important to continuously guarantee you reliability and partnership. We want you to be successful in today's tough business environment. And trust is not just a simple commitment. It means to understand what you, our customers, really need today as well as tomorrow, and translate these needs into our working goals every day anew. The new trucks we present to you today bundle 125 years of know-how and passion. A truck you can trust. We already have sold more than 100,000 trucks in the region, the Middle East and Africa. Trucks from Actros Mercedes-Benz Trucks is home turf. And we know your environment, extreme climate, rough roads, heavy loads, tough applications, driver qualification. You really need a reliable truck. Recognizing that the Middle East and Africa are said to be one of the most demanding regions in terms of truck operation, an extensive testing was done by our testing center in Abu Dhabi with over 6 million kilometers on the roads to understand your needs and create a truck you can trust for the Middle East and the African region. We know reliability is a prerequisite for a successful truck operation, and we are sure the new trucks are ready for launch in your region. They are ready to continue the story of success in the Middle East and Africa, which started a long time ago. But reliability is also a prerequisite for a profitable truck operation. So the second most important buying criterion for a truck in on-road applications is efficiency. The new trucks were optimized in all details in order to realize a convincing fuel consumption with success. And that's why efficiency is next to reliability, the second core characteristic of the new Actros. With the new Actros, we realize a lower fuel consumption of up to 7% with the Euro 4/5 variants and up to 4% with the Euro 3 variants. And customers that are currently driving a manual gear shift will experience up to 5% on top using our Mercedes-Benz PowerShift 3 that will come as a standard with the new trucks. So how did we realize these savings? The most important highlights are the new and highly efficient engine generation, the OM470 series, with state-of-the-art technology, And as mentioned already, the Mercedes Benz power shift transmission as a standard in all trucks with the best shifting strategy and a very fast gear changes. Manual gear shift is optionally still available. Last but not least, we have challenged the aerodynamic design with intensive testing and optimization in the wind tunnel. The new Actros stands for maximum of efficiency in terms of fuel consumption. And this will get visible within each and every fueling process. We offer you the best-in-class total cost of ownership. For the new Arocs, another quality is essential: robustness. Far beyond the robustness that is already required in on-road applications. The new Arocs brings along this needed hardness. And this is the first time that we are able to offer a separate model range which is specifically designed and dealing perfectly even with the most challenging terrain. It already gets visible in our outer appearance of the new Arocs. Just have a look on the bucket tooth optic of the radiator grille, which is typical for all new Arocs trucks. For sure, the inner values of the Arocs need to keep what the exterior is promising, and they do. Just to mention the robustness frame and the axles, the high ground clearance, and the turbo retarder clutch. And dear distinguished guests and friends, Mercedes-Benz is traditionally standing for the highest degree of safety. For the new Actros, as well as for the new Arocs, we offer innovative brake, safety, and assistance systems. Just let me highlight the most important of them. The AVA 4 braking system with 3-stage warning concept, up to full braking in order to avoid accidents. It detects stationary and moving obstacles, as well as moving pedestrians. The proximity control, an assistance system that helps to maintain the desired speed when the road ahead is clear. If the vehicle approaches a detected vehicle driving in front, the cruise control automatically restricts the speed and maintains the preset distance. And a stop-and-go function is also included. The system automatically controls starting and stopping in traffic. Additionally, our truck training offer. Next to our eco trainings, we also offer safety trainings for the safety systems. Two aspects that perfectly complement each other for a safe arrival of our drivers, your trucks, and that is your drivers, actually not ours, it's your drivers, your trucks, and your load. And that is, in a few words, our new offer to you, our customers here in the Middle East and the African region. We're really proud to introduce two new model ranges, which are the new Actros, our truck for on-road applications, mainly the long-distance or distribution segment, and the new Arocs, the completely new model range for all off-road and construction applications. With both, we enter a new dimension of trucks, made by Mercedes Benz, made for your region. And it's time we take the legacy of Mercedes-Benz trucks into the future. Thank you very, very much for your trust. Thank you very, very much for being our customers, and mostly, thank you for being our partner. Now please enjoy the movie about the new trucks and continue to enjoy the evening. We, Stefan and myself, we will be right back over to celebrate the evening together with you. Thank you very much for the attention, and look at those beauties. Thank you.
It is? Wow.
Yes, so it's so pleasure to see whatever we have. Whenever there is an occasion. Just Olivia is Nigeria. This is yes, this is my love.